How to add services in Google My Business. To add services to your Google business profile, follow these structure steps here. Very first thing you have to do, just go to Google, look for Google My Business and click on Manage Now, right? And here, if you don't see the Manage Now because you didn't created any of this stuff here. Now, very first thing is to access your Google business profile, log in into this, search for your business name on Google. So this is how it's look, right? I can just go and edit each and every stuff here. If you manage multiple locations, select the specific location you want to edit, right? So I will just go and click on edit profile here. And if you're using a business profile manager, click on info in the menu. If you are on Google Maps or Google search, click on edit profile. Now here we are in the edit section. Now here we can edit each and everything. For example, this business category, description, and you can also add all the services which you're adding it right now. So this is a service area, right? Now here click on the services section. This is where you can add or edit the services offered by your location, right? So this is contact, location, hours, and if you just go to more, then here you will find a lot more option here, right? So here this is services option. Go and click on edit one, right? And it will ask you, let customer know more about your business by showing attribute on your business profile. So on site available, yes. So I'll just go and click on yes and click on save, right? And in this way we can just add more and more features. For example, what information you can add. So once I change it is on site, I got more options here. For example, the special hours, add more hours, and here how you can do so, and there's a lot of option to do this, right? So in this way you can do this. Thanks for watching this video.